Hi students, this is the lesson for area of a circle. Your learning target is I can find the area of a circle. Please go ahead and write that in your planner for today. And for this lesson, all you'll need is your pencil and your book. All right, so definitions you need to know. For now, we're just going to go ahead and review circumference. Circumference equals 2 pi r, or pi times diameter. Okay, so that's just something that you need to remember about circles. That's what you've learned so far. Today we're going to be finding this area of a circle. We're going to be using this formula, which is area equals pi r squared. Okay, so here we go. Right here I have a circle, and on this circle I have a diameter. Remember, a diameter goes straight across, and my diameter is 6. So I've got a diameter of 6. Let me just type that in. Oops, I'm sorry. It's 6, and we'll make it 6 inches. Okay, so I've got my diameter of 6, and what I need to do is find out for my area. I know that the formula for the area of a circle is area equals pi r squared. So right now, I'm going to find my area, and I'm going to say equals pi, which is always 3.14, pi r squared. Okay, so I need my radius. Do I have my radius in this measurement? Remember that the radius is only the halfway point. It's from here till the end of the circle on this side. It's only half of the diameter. So my radius is not 6, but it's half of 6. So what is half of 6? Well, that's 3. So pi times radius, and my radius is squared, 3 squared. Okay, so I've got 3.14 that I can use for pi. And I apologize, I don't have my normal keyboard to write this on, so my numbers are a little sloppy. 3.14 times 3 squared. Okay, and 3.14 times 3 squared is 3.14 times, well, 3 squared is 9, because it's 3 times 3, not 3 times 2. That's a very common mistake when you're doing areas of circles. So 3 times 3 is 9. And 3.14 times 9, I'm going to do that real fast and solve it. Okay, so I just solved that, and I got 28.26. So my area equals 28.26 inches squared, because we're doing area still. So 28.26 inches squared. All right, so again, let me just review what we just did. I did the area equals pi times the radius squared. I found my radius because I know that the radius is only from here to here. It's only my halfway point. So half of 6 is 3, so I did from here to here. And area equals pi r squared. 3 squared is 9. 3.14 times 9 is 28.26. And whenever I'm finding the area, my final answer must be in square units or square inches or whatever label they give you. It must be squared. Okay? So let's go ahead and try another one. Let's go ahead and use this circle now. And with this circle, we are going to look for the area, and I want you to find the area of this circle with a radius of, let's do 5. So I'm going to type that in. You guys can get to work if you want, or you can wait for me. I don't know why it does that. And this time we'll do centimeters, just for fun. 5 centimeters. Okay, so here's my line of my radius of 5 centimeters right here, and I can get started. So again, my formula, area equals pi r squared. So area equals pi, which is 3.14, or you can just write the pi symbol for now, pi r squared. Okay, and if you get confused, you can just take this number and plug it right into your formula right here, because your R stands for radius. So area equals pi r squared. 3.14 is pi 3.14. And radius is, it already tells you right here, is 5. So 5 squared is 25. Now you need to do 25 times 3.14 to see what you get. I'm going to do it on my calculator. So 3.14 times 25 is 78.5. So I get 78.5, and this one was centimeters. 0.5, nope, 0.5 centimeters. Sorry. There we go, centimeters. And we're still in area, so it's centimeters squared. I'm sorry, guys. This is a lot more challenging without my normal keypad. Okay, area equals 78.5 centimeters squared. All right, so we've done one example where we had the diameter, one example where we had the radius, and now this example is where they only want the area of half of this circle. So we don't have a formula, we only have a formula for the whole circle. So this one's asking us for half the circle. Well, the good news is that we can find any area and split it in half. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to use the radius for this one. The radius of this guy is going to be 3. You can write that in now. It's going to be 3. Okay, so for this radius is 3, and for the whole circle, the area of the circle would be pi r squared equals pi r squared. And now we need to plug this in. So pi again is 3.14 times the radius, which is 3. And we're squaring that, so 3 squared. 3.14 times 9, let me grab my calculator. 3.14 times 9 is 28.26. Oh, did we do this already? Oh, we did. Sorry. And let's go ahead and write that. 28.26. But do we need this whole entire circle's area? Because remember, this is the area for the whole circle. Do we need that whole area, or do we just need half of it? Well, this is a half a circle, so we just need half of it. So we're going to divide this, not cross it out, sorry, divide this by 2. So you can do it on your calculator again if you want to. 28.26 divided by 2 is 14.13. So your final answer is right there, 14.13. And let's say that these are inches again, so we'll say inches squared. Okay, so 14.13, ooh, that's a 3, inches squared. All right, so here's your final answer for that problem. Now, it's your turn to practice. You've got 3 problems here that you can try. Find the area of a circle with a diameter of 12 meters. Find the area of a circle with a radius of 4 centimeters. And find the area of a half circle with a diameter of 5 inches. Okay, remember, diameter goes all the way across the circle. The diameter is this guy, and that's the worst circle ever. And the radius is only halfway across. It's halfway. Okay, so that's going to be helpful for these problems. And then your formulas are also going to be helpful up here. Just this one, though, for this lesson. I just put this in here to remind you from what we learned before our break. Okay, so go ahead and practice those, and I will see you in class very soon.